с телефона это.
Она есть, да. Я просто в 3 не могу.
А когда ты можешь? Да, у нас там кто-то есть. Давай, заходи.
Да, да.
My report was interrupted.
Yeah, but we have time to,
I
to
have time.
continue.
Let me share screen.
The next session we have at 3 o'clock, so we have some minutes to continue. And
let me share screen, please.
One moment, please. Please.
Thank you. So my conclusions and future research and the proposed model allows to assess the indirect effectiveness of environmental projects on railway with the separation of objects that demonstrate the lack of relationship between the size of environmental expenditure and carbon dioxide emissions. It was found that Pivdenna and Pridniprovska railways during the study period weren't the largest consumers of diesel fuel. So this fact cannot explain the lack of relationship between environmental expenditure and carbon dioxide emissions. Such a conclusion may be an indirect evidence of inefficient distribution and the formation of environmental expenditure of Ukrainian railways. Subsequent studies of these railways may relevant the nature of the reasons for the lack of such connection. The approbation of this model for other branches of the national economy seems promising. Thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions?
Thank you very much. Anybody has questions? Can you say me a couple of words about what do you think about quality of service at our railway system?
I guess we have a big future in this field of business because our studies it is the field for maybe some corruption research, maybe some way for improving of efficiency for this transport, because we obtain results about inefficient distribution costs in railways, and I guess our results will considered by government and maybe by management of Ukrzaliznytsia and for Pivdenna and Pridniprovska too.
Thank you.
Because this is inefficient distribution of costs, and I guess this results is very interesting, and business and management of Genstock Ukrzaliznytsia must consider in detail why this cost is so inefficient distribution, and I guess the service of this company will improve.
What do you think about intelligent system? How can improve the situation in the service?
I guess tools like cloud technologies in combining of blockchain technologies. I have some experience in combination of big data and blockchain technologies in food industry, and like example Nestle company. I guess combination and intersection big data tools and blockchain tools tools and quantum computer tools, these elements of cloud technologies, it will be a way for improving service in all businesses, not only railway transport.
Thank you very much. Maybe Zoriana like join our discussion.
Liana, do you have any questions?
Yes, it was very interesting for us because we represented to our research, which conduct to railways and our the biggest entity in the transport, passenger and the cargo transportation. And that's why I agree completely. It was very interesting area, and there are many fields to improve. What to improve in Ukrzaliznytsia, according to my dissertation thesis to this field, and agree everything with this. So we can improve, and we need to do this. And the management of Ukrzaliznytsia is very interesting in such a kind of researches. So thank you very much.
Thank you. What do you think about the digitalization tools in Ukrzaliznytsia?
So as to the digitalization, it was in the article research which I represent a little bit, and we have also some articles in Scopus which also is devoted to this problem, especially for passenger field, passengers transportation. Yes, because it's very interesting to use digitalization like an instruments for improving the consumer services.
Yes. Anybody has questions?
I want to ask. Please.
Welcome.
Say me, please, but only a short answer. How do you think our conference is named Computer Linguistics and Intelligent Systems? I think that your theme not from computer linguistics, but how do you think? Is it connected with intelligent systems?
Exactly.
See me, please.
Exactly. Our research.
Why do you think it?
Why? Because
what do you mean? What do you mean about intelligent systems? Connected with linguistics, of course, but you can describe this system not only in linguistic terms, but in terms of intelligent
practical field. And practical field, more practice. Our research has more practical direction by using these tools.
And what intellectual in your work?
Intellectual, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Repeat please your question.
Intellectual. What is intellectual in your work? How do you think?
So we used very many methods and we described it in our research with the using, for this applying to the transport passenger services and for future our research. So thank you very much for your questions. It's a very good question. Yes.
Thank you.
So
I see.
I like the instruments.
Yes, I see. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Because this is an applied task. Yeah.
Thank you. I thank you for your presentation and the discussion. And I have a question. Do we have the presenters from the paper Multi-Agent Clinical Decision Support System using Case-Based Reasoning, number 113? Nobody, yeah? Nobody meet us. Unfortunately. So we can do the break till 3 o'clock, and welcome at 3 o'clock to the next session. Thank you very much. See you at 3 o'clock.
Thank you. It was very interesting.